Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's Hump Day. I'm going to call this Wacky Wednesday because I can. All right, last night I had a little bit of fun with some mushrooms, balsamic garlic grilled mushroom skewers. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's Mortimer. It was a lot of fun. I added a few things. I added some red onion and some red bell pepper. I did double the marinade. I just felt it wasn't enough that what the recipe pointed out. And I used a Ziploc bag. Oops, I shouldn't say that Ziploc word, huh? The zip seal. Yeah. And I just turned them every 10, 15 minutes. It worked out really well. And while I was grilling, I actually just kind of marinated or just brushed, or actually more dripped, the leftover marinade, over the shrooms and other goodies. It was fun. It'd be a perfect side dish, for a beef or like a pork meal. Give it a try. It was good. The garlic really stands out, by the way. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. Tonight, we're going to Lebanon. Like yesterday's recipe, I ran across this one by accident, and I'm like, oh, that looks familiar. I just thought it was like a triple layer shepherd's pie. But this is actually a Lebanese dish. I'm going to attempt the Lebanese Btata Soufflé, also known as a potato soufflé. This looks like fun. It's basically a three-layer version of a shepherd's pie, but it's different. It's got different spices and it's definitely Lebanese. The note that I have attached with this, that when you get the recipe tomorrow, it goes into a bechamel sauce. This particular recipe is a more simplified version. It does not use a bechamel. Lucky me, I guess. I don't know. All right, let's get to it. And here we go. You could use beef or lamb in this. I think lamb is more traditional. Just a little bit of oil, and that's going to be for the saute pan. I already have some diced red onion, so I'm going to use that up. One little thing, I've never seen this before, because I'm doing a half recipe, calls for half an egg, but with 1 drop of white vinegar. I'm not sure what that does. Maybe somebody can tell me. Butter, heavy whipping cream. I'm using baby spinach. The recipe calls just for straight spinach. Panko, sea salt, potatoes. Got to have potatoes for a potato souffle. Parmesan, and the spices for today are Indonesian cinnamon, ground nutmeg, white pepper, onion powder, and cumin and coriander. So I get to beat up some potatoes today because if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I do it by hand. There's something about hand mashed potatoes is the best. So, did you get caught in the rain yesterday here in Sutter County? It rained here twice. First in the morning while I was doing yesterday's message, and later on in the evening. Boy, was it humid yesterday morning. Woo! Not Michigan humid, which, that's where I grew up. But it was humid. It was like 70%. All right, enough about that. On this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.